Why is the universe expanding? What's the reason behind this? I think I know the answer. When we look at the universe, everything is moving away from everything else. The light from distant galaxies is redshifted, indicating that they are receding from us. And the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away. This makes sense if you imagine the universe as a kind of raisin bread dough. As the dough rises, the raisins, which are far apart, move apart from each other. At first they seem to be moving randomly, but after some time you realize that they are all moving away from each other at speeds that are proportional to the distance between them. This is exactly what we observe in the universe today. But why is the universe expanding? Why is the dough rising? There are two possible explanations. One is that there is some kind of force pushing the galaxies apart. The other is that the universe is just doing what it wants to do. In other words, it's expanding because that's the most natural thing for it to do. In the early 1900s, scientists thought that the universe was static and eternal, unchanging over time. This view was supported by Einstein's theory of general relativity, which predicted that the universe should either collapse in on itself or expand outward. But neither of these possibilities seemed very realistic. In the 1920s, astronomers discovered that the universe was expanding, which made Einstein's prediction come true. But it didn't really explain why the universe was expanding. In the 1930s, scientists began to develop the idea of a Big Bang, a single event in the distant past from which the universe expanded and continues to expand today. This idea fit well with the observed expansion of the universe and with the abundance of light elements, such as hydrogen and helium. It also explained why distant galaxies were redshifted, because their light was stretched as the universe expanded. But why did the Big Bang happen? Why did the universe start expanding in the first place? Well, the truth is we don't know. Some scientists believe that the Big Bang was caused by a quantum fluctuation in a pre-existing universe. Others believe that our universe is just one of many that have been expanding and contracting over time. Still others believe that the universe had a beginning but not a cause. I think I know the answer, but I can't prove it. I believe that the universe is expanding because that's the most natural thing for it to do. It's like a ball rolling down a hill. A ball at the top of a hill has potential energy. As it rolls down, its potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. The ball moves faster and faster as it approaches the bottom of the hill. Similarly, the universe has a kind of potential energy that drives its expansion. This potential energy is stored in the very structure of space-time itself. As the universe expands, this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, which makes the expansion speed up over time. This idea is supported by the observation that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. If the expansion was caused by a force, you would expect its rate to remain constant or perhaps slow down to the effects of gravity. But the fact that it's speeding up tells us that it's driven by something deeper, something more fundamental. It's driven by the very fabric of space-time itself. In a sense, the universe is expanding because it wants to. It's driven by an inherent tendency to do what it does. This may sound like a strange and even heretical idea, but I think it's the most natural explanation for the behavior of the universe. After all, why should the universe obey our laws in the first place? Why should it do what we expect it to do? The fact that it doesn't just do what it wants is what makes it so strange and mysterious. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see the stars twinkling above you, remember that they are not just pinpricks of light. They are galaxies of billions of stars, each moving away from you at a speed that is proportional to the distance between you. And that speed is increasing every second. And remember that the whole universe is doing this, expanding, moving away from itself. And we don't know why. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Your feedback is very important to us and helps us make better videos in the future. Thanks for watching.